Hello everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to draw a fairly easy Pokemon. This time we're going to draw Dratini, which is a dragon type Pokemon. Let's start by drawing his snout, which is just an oval. Alright, so let's draw his right eye, which is going to be right above this part of his snout. And again, an oval. And let's draw his pupil, which will be inside right here, the bottom part. And then right above is a highlight, reflection, and a couple lines that go across. So now we can go ahead and just darken this whole area here, including the pupil. And then we'll go ahead and draw the other eye. Now this other eye will be foreshortened, so we're actually going to draw just a straight line going up to the same height as the other eye, and then it's going to curve out like that, and again a highlight at the top, and the top part here will be black, and just draw a slight indication of his pupil right there. So now let's draw the top of his head. Starting from the top of his left eye, we're going to go up and over to right about here. So up and over. Stop right there, because right here will be his three-pronged fin that's on either side of his head. So starting right here just to the side of his eye, we're going to draw a curved line that goes this way. So let's start right here and just kind of go up a ways. Okay, so then this area here, we'll continue this line by going outward and then in, and then starting to go outward again in a slight curve. From here we'll curve out the corner and draw a curve that goes to the center part of his fin, the middle prong, curve it and start heading back, but not quite touching the intersection. We'll draw another line here to show the edge of that prong, and now we'll go ahead and draw the top part. I'm going to go ahead and lengthen this a bit, curve it, and then go down to meet this line. So let's draw the other fin. Starting right here at his head, we're going to go up right about the same height as the other fin with a curved line. Start curving it in and go down, and then it's going to go straight out for that middle prong, back in, and then down and curve it in. Now we'll go ahead and draw the back part of his head. Starting right here, we're going to go down and start curving it in, curving it out. So right here, look at this, the top of his head, the line, it's going to go behind this fin and start right here. Start curving it downward and then out. Alright, let's give the neck some thickness. So starting right here, we're going to go down this way towards the chest, and then again it's going to go curve back this way, curve out this way. So right here, go down and then start curving it outward, and we're going to continue this line then around so that it looks like he's kind of coiling, but it's actually just kind of a big curve, an S-shaped curve that goes this way. So starting right here again, continue this curve around the back. We'll continue this line behind his neck out this way and then to the tail, which curves upward. So here's the line behind the neck, continue it and then curve up to the tip of its tail and curve the tip right there. We'll go back, getting wider as we get to the neck area, maybe right about here where my finger is. So let's do that. So now let's draw the front part of his body, which is going to be a lighter color, and starting from this line we're going to curve up for the top part of it, up, curve it down. So now we're going to continue this way to meet this line out here. Start curving it out and meet that line. Now this bottom part will be seen at the bottom of the tail section here by just drawing a line. Like that. Okay, let's draw in a couple other details, including the beginnings of his horn, which is just a slightly flat circle up here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my pen to add some shadow lines. So there's a shadow line up here and here, and these are just dark areas, slightly darker areas for the different parts of his head and his body. So there's a shadow underneath here and slight shadow right there, a line right here, and this curves around the neck as well, and a shadow line here, and finally another shadow line that goes across to the tail. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Sharpie and make some of the body lines a little bit thicker just to give it more variety. Alright, so there you go. This is Dratini. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks and have a great day.